And in today's video, I want to discuss why is SEO dead? The only thing that is actually dead is SEOs that cannot make it to the first page. Now, if you have not been able or not successful enough to get to the first page of Google, right, and you are not understanding the current trends and seeing where the market is going, yes, SEO is dead for you. But I want to go over a couple statistics and then show you something at the very end of the video. So let me just show you this very quickly. If we scroll down here to some of these statistics, I want to make a point, and here, take a look at this here. This is probably one of the best statistics because this is when it matters, when everybody is doing it, not me. When everybody in America starts doing things, that's when the change occurs. So if you take a look here at number 4, 72% of people who own voice-activated speakers say that their devices are used as part of their daily routines. This is coming directly from Google. Now, I want you to take a look here. 50% of all searches will be voice searches by 2020, and this comes from ComScore. Now, with that being said, why is it so important for SEO now, and why is it so important to rank even higher in the future coming years? Because when you do a voice search, and let's do one together now, you may not hear it very well, but what I'm going to ask for is the best SEO tools, and I want to point something out to you. The best SEO tools. Can you hear? The best SEO tools for 2019 are this right here, these snippets. That is what she is reading to me, these snippets. So in conclusion to this video, today's talk, SEO is far from dead. SEO is evolving, and it is becoming more and more relevant to become a better SEO and rank higher, because the people that are off of the first page and not grabbing snippets or aren't, whatever the knowledge graph will be, a voice knowledge graph will be, you need to be on the first page to play ball. So it's becoming more and more of a competition to go to the first page. So that's going to wrap up. Is SEO dead? Absolutely not. It is evolving, just like with any market. So if you're not the best, you're going to be pushed aside, and that's my opinion. I feel that search is going to be prominently dominated by voice. I think that you need to up your SEO game so you can start ranking higher, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO, local SEO, digital marketing video. I'll see you in the next one.